Welcome to my channel. I'm Scott, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of valuing United Natural Foods stock by analyzing their financial statements and dissecting their financial ratios so we can determine if it's a buy or a sell. Let's get started with the model. This is a small cap company, 742 million market cap. They're trading at $12.48 a share, and they have 59 million shares outstanding. United Natural Foods distributes natural, organic, specialty, produce, conventional grocery, and non-food products. It has two segments, wholesale and retail. As simple as it gets. They offer grocery and general merchandise, produce, perishables, frozen foods, wellness, personal care items, bulk, and food service products. Let's look at their financials. The way you value a company is you estimate the free cash flows into the future and then you discount those numbers back to today's value. That's what we're doing in this video. And free cash flow is cash flow from operations minus capital expenditures. Free cash flow looked really good in 21 and 23, around 300 million. Then crashing in 24 to negative 46 million. They did complete their 2024 fiscal year. Net income is the profit or loss on the income statement. It's revenue minus expenses. Positive in 21 through 23, negative in 2024. Revenue is sales for the company. That had a decent growth from 27 billion to 30 billion, but it's down a little bit in 2024, and their expenses are going up. Something's got to give. We estimated 4 years of future free cash flows. We also estimated a terminal value, it's all cash flows past year 4. That's 1.9 billion. We discounted those numbers back to today using the weighted average cost of capital. We get a value of the company $1.6 billion. We divide that by 59 million shares. And we get a calculated stock price of 27. They're trading at 12, so they're trading at a 53% discount. It's a strong buy according to the model. What's your opinion? Do you think it's a buy or sell? Let me know in the comments. There are 14 companies in the same industry as UNFI, and if they have a number in red, they're worse than the median. If they have a number in blue, they're better. They spent $320 million in CapEx. These are the investments in property, plant, and equipment. They are a bit leveraged, 2.2 debt to equity ratio. For every dollar of equity, they have $2.20 of debt. They have the worst free cash flow, negative 46 million. They rank 6th in market cap, under 1 billion. The best price to book though, that means they have a solid balance sheet or just a really low market cap or a combination. Can't look at that PE or price to free cash flow, negative earnings, negative free cash flow. Price of sales is 0. Look how much revenue they generate relative to their market cap. And they're still growing. Their 5-year annual revenue growth rate is 11%. Here's their latest income statement. Revenue is flat when you compare the 3 months ending April 29th, 2023 compared to the 3 months ending April 27th, 2024. Expenses are going down, so that's good. So their gross profit is slightly higher. For a while, they were getting squeezed. Their expenses were going up and revenue going down. Operating expenses almost the same as their gross profit, so they have a small operating income of 6 million. They do spend interest on their debt, 37 million, so they have negative net income. Shares outstanding are flat, 59.4 million in both time periods. So to summarize, I have them trading at a 53% discount, but something definitely seems wrong with this company. So I'm ranking them 4 out of 10. Would I buy at 1 out of 10? Although it seems really undervalued, based on their numbers, it looks like they're headed towards bankruptcy. Unless the market is totally wrong on this stock, and no one sees the value. I would have to do a lot more due diligence if I put money into this stock. Ratio is 3 out of 10, an amazing price to book and price of sales, but we can't look at that PE or price of free cash flow. I give their financials 4 out of 10. They're still generating healthy revenue, over 30 billion, and it's gone up very little, but it has gone up. The reason it's so low is because their free cash flow is negative now. Despite generating so much revenue, they can't turn a profit. So let me know what you think. Give the video a like, subscribe, or comment below. If you'd like to get a custom valuation or just support the channel, you can become a member by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.